Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gumbo roux. This foundational element is a simple blend of fat and flour, but it's the secret to a truly rich and flavorful gumbo. You'll need a heavy-bottomed pot, like a cast iron Dutch oven, and a sturdy whisk or wooden spoon. The basic ratio is 1 part all-purpose flour to 1 part neutral oil, such as vegetable or canola oil. Patience and continuous stirring are your most important tools here. Let's begin by heating your chosen oil in a heavy pot over medium heat until it shimmers. Then, slowly whisk in the flour, ensuring there are no lumps, creating a smooth paste. Continue stirring constantly over medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. During this initial stage, your roux will transform into a light, blonde color, often described as resembling wet sand. This is just the beginning of its flavor journey. Now, reduce your heat to medium-low and keep stirring without interruption. This is where the magic happens. Your roux will gradually deepen in color, moving from a light peanut butter shade to a rich milk chocolate. For an authentic gumbo, you're aiming for a deep, dark chocolate brown, which typically takes anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes of patient stirring. This darker roux provides a complex, nutty flavor, essential for gumbo. Once your roux reaches that beautiful deep chocolate brown, immediately remove the pot from the heat. The residual heat can continue cooking it, potentially leading to a burnt, bitter taste. If you're not using it right away, transfer it to a cool container to stop the cooking process. A properly made roux can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 6 months. Now you have the perfect, flavorful base for your delicious gumbo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.